Hi, this is me, Muhammad, an Excel and Google Sheets expert. And in this video, I'll walk you through our financial model that I built in Excel and Google Sheets for a client preparing for fundraising. So let's start. So basically, the client in the client business, he had five phases, and he wants to show the performances of the each one individually and as well as the whole. So I started with creating a driver control panel for each phase of the business. It contains all the key assumptions and the key inputs. And also this tab also contains the cost, whether it is cost of goods sold or any other kind of operating expenses for all these phases. Then I also have another sheet for the key variables used in the profit and loss, cash flow, or balance sheet. So basically, these are like these three for right now. And then I started creating the profit and loss and cash flow statement for each phase of the business. As you can see there, the legacy phase, there is a profit and loss, and then the cash flow for this phase. And the time period of these profit and loss and cash flow statements are from 2025 to 2035, as you can see there. Then, as well as the P&L and cash flow for the next phase of the business, we can all go through those. And then at the last we have the consolidated view for each phase of the business. And then as you can see there, all these phases of business are present there. And at last you can see all the calculations are getting done in this, and also the cash flow statements there. As you can see there, all these numbers are like workable through connected through formulas. And then we have a balance sheet there for like all phases of the for complete business, we can say that. And the numbers are completely matching there, as you can see. And along with that we have net working capital schedule there, and the capex itemization and capex timeline. So all these works through perfectly. The main goal was not just the numbers to work, but it was the structure to like present this financial model in a clean and professional way for the to investors. And when I delivered this financial model, the client was really happy with the results. And after some back and forth, we get finalized over this financial model. And like he is now super happy with the results. He can now present this financial model in the meetings very confidently to the strategic partners or investors. And if you want similar kind of financial models, whether it is in Excel or Google Sheets for forecasting or for any other kind of stuff, you can definitely reach out to me. Thank you.